Okay, what we have right now is a Samsung laundry washer. The problem is it will not drain and it will not spin. What's probably going on is that the drain outlet or hose is probably clogged up. So this is what I'm gonna do in order to see if I can fix this and get it back into spinning and draining. If there's a clog on the pipe on that hose, especially down where the motor is, you'll get it will not spin. So once you unclog that, then you're going to start getting your spin back. All right, okay, so let's do that. Of course, you got to unplug this first. The next thing you do is you got to get one of these things right there, or a wet to dry vac. All right, here. Okay, where I'm gonna turn this on, of course. All right, so it's plugged in there. Now I'm gonna turn this on. All right, here, look at it. Take the drain hose, and this is what I did. Now we shall see if it's going to drain. Look, we're going to see if it's going to drain. So let's plug this in. We turn this on. And it's back in business. It's actually spinning now. It wasn't spinning before. Okay. That's all you had to do. Is just use this to unclog probably the motor. See, if you look here, it's already spinning. Okay, and now the water's pouring in. There you go. See? What we're gonna do is just see if it's going to drain. Yep, it's draining. Let me see. Oop. See? Got that? All right. So we fixed it. All you need to do is just get yourself or borrow a wet to dry vac, and look what I did. I was able to pull out the dirt that was in there. Okay. And we're going to open this, of course. I got to unplug this and see what dirt was in there. Okay, let's see what's causing the clog. There you go. However, it's like pieces of stuff from the clothes, but we got it up, okay? Alright, so don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you again next time.